Chicken noodle soup, absolutely massive portion, 479 calories. So you definitely won't be hungry for a while after consuming this. Doesn't take long at all to make. Just carefully follow the steps that I've shown in the video. Really helps to build the flavour and make life easier. On top of the rice noodles, put your bruised herbs and your capsicum. Note how the capsicum is sliced really fine, so when I pour the hot stock on top, or the hot soup on top, it cooks without overcooking. With the coriander, see how I cut off the tip of the root? So coriander, chili, garlic and onion go in one container. The celery will be added at a different time to them. So the celery and the carrot go together. Now with the chicken, cut the chicken along that little line and it goes straight through the joint, making it a lot easier to pull the flesh off. Or if you're cutting the chicken up for a curry or a stew, it just makes life so much easier. So you need to have the skin side facing down to cut the chicken. Start off with your onion and your garlic and chili. Cook that off, then add the stock. Add your carrot and your celery and then your zucchini. Bring it back to the boil and then just pour it over your rice noodles. Really simple. Give it a big stir. Let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes before you eat it.